Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to our channel. We'll be doing a quick drive-through from Awka down to Onitsha. Yes, I've never had an issue with this road, but construction work is currently going on the other lane. For a while now, just a single lane that has been completed, and we've been enjoying quite a smooth ride to Onitsha. But let's see how far the update on the other lane is going, and let's see how far the work has gone. If you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do not hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We just passed the last flyover in Awka now, and like I explained for as many who watch my drive through Awka, I said at the last flyover, instead of going top of the flyover, you just follow the down path to join the single lane road, because if you go through the top, you will still be riding on the bad spot. As you can see, the dust all over the other lane. Work is currently going on, just that my camera, because of the slab there, I can't really picture, but far off you can see that work is currently going on that lane, and hopefully very soon asphalt will be poured on it. As in, I can't really wait for that lane to be completed, because I'm a huge fan of dualized lane road system, and somehow when roads are dualized, it somehow reduce traffic, it somehow reduce accidents and all of that. So we have been craving for it. As you can see, that white side has been poured to that spot, but this side has just been graded and also smoothened. Nothing much happening around this side, but it has been graded. So, but I can't really see any tractors or workers on the road as we speak. But let's hope that after the break, they are going to resume their work as usual. So we're just going to continue on this drive to Onitsha to see if other portions of the road has been done. So like I mentioned earlier, that the road is very smooth from Awka to Onitsha. Like, it makes the journey so fast as this particular lane has been done. But just that we can't continue using just this lane, because over time it's going to get bad if nothing is done concerning the other lane. So Onitsha from Awka now is barely 20 minutes drive, and you are already in Onitsha, because of how clean and how good the road is. And that Ukpo axis, a little traffic around there because of the population around that community. So I think that is one reason why the dualized lane road should be done. And also because of the airport, ANAMBRA airport, I think the dualized road system will also help very well because of the airport. I think that's the airport signboard over there now that will be passing pretty soon. So, but it's still ahead of us. We can enter through this community, but the airport is still very much ahead of us. So we'll be passing the airport pretty soon. I think for that reason alone, I think the roads should be well done. The dualized road system should be well done, so that we'll have a free drive to Onitsha. But so far so good. Clean drive, easy drive, no disturbance at all on the road. So for those using the road for the first time, do let me know in the comment section. And if you watched our video before regarding this and you are well informed through our channel that this road is a single lane road, also do let us know. We are a huge fan of giving out information regarding road, because it just helps the first time drivers of this road to be well informed. We go to cities for the first time without knowing anything about their road or anything about the cities, but through the lens of people's cameras like this, we have been able to be well informed as to what to do or how to navigate a particular area of that road. So if you find the video helpful, do let us know also in the comment section. Leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are from ANAMBRA State, also do rep your location in the comment section. And if we are passing by your community as we drive through to Onitsha, also let us know, because in our previous video we've had a couple of people say, oh, you passed my community, you passed my community. It was quite good to see people's communities are being showcased around here. So let me know if yours is also being captured around here. Again, another disadvantage with a single lane road system is that we just pray trailers should not get bad around this place, because if they do, that is going to be a very tough one, because it's going to cause serious gridlock on the road. The other lane is actually manageable, just that it's bumpy. and everybody wants to enjoy the good part of the road. So even me, so there's nothing that will take me to that lane. So sometimes when these military men here cause some kind of traffic, a lot of persons divert to join the other lane. As you can see, some vehicles are still in the other lane, but it's very, 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 very bumpy. And so nobody really wants to enjoy that, except for some who don't really want to bear the traffic of the police or the military guys that are there. So if you are still seeing our video and this is your first time seeing it, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you will always know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very, very much. We appreciate you. Like I said before, don't hesitate to give us your honest thought and your honest review in the comment section. Again, we have quite a number of videos for Anambra State and even other southeastern states. Do not hesitate to check through our video catalog for any one of your interests. Do well to watch and also leave your comments. Also, do help us share this video for your loved ones, for those who are planning to visit Anambra, or those from Anambra are planning to visit very soon. So help us share. The video might get to them for them to just be informed regarding the current update of the road. So we are almost approaching the airport junction now. Normally it would have just been an easy drive if the other lane was functional. You just drive into the airport directly from the other lane, but now you have to run on the bumpy part before you can navigate to the airport. If not, you have to get to the junction ahead of us before you can navigate your way back into the airport. So but I think let's hope that this work they've commenced now pretty soon will be completed. It's quite interesting to see that work is going on here. The Port Harcourt ENUGU Express Road to work is going on. Let's just hope that all is completed in due course. Like I said in one of my videos in that ENUGU Port Harcourt Road, I said, why are all being done in December? We would have started attending to these things earlier than December. So that is the airport junction over there that we just passed. Just to mention, the airport is quite very big, and we have an update on the airport as well on our channel. For those who have not seen Anambra Airport, you can go check it out. We have a very detailed tour of the airport. So we're at this junction currently. I've forgotten the name. For those who can remember, do well to also hit me in the comment section and say, yeah, this is the junction. So you can actually go through a community from here back to the airport as well. But we're taking our journey down to Onitsha. So let's keep it going. So my Anambra people, we're almost in Onitsha. Onitsha is a commercial hub of Anambra State. In fact, business happened around Onitsha. There's nobody in Nigeria who don't know or hear about Onitsha. So we'll be in Onitsha pretty soon and anticipate our video on Onitsha. And like I explained before, this trip is taking us to Benin. So our Benin people, we are coming to your city, so give us recommendations of video to shoot or where you would love to see as far as Benin City is concerned. Again, if you are watching our video for the very first time, please do us a favor by clicking the subscribe button to join our big family, and also turn on the notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We are almost in Onitsha now, and when you drive into Onitsha, you first see the building material market and a whole lot of other stuff that you will see. Like I said before, this part of the road now is dualized. Just from that junction is dualized. So we see that I diverted into this lane. I'm using my own lane now. The other people are using their own lane. So this part of the road is dualized, so which is quite very good. We hope that they bring the entire road to this dualized pattern pretty soon. So Onitsha, here we are. Onitsha, here we are about to enter. So if you are from Onitsha, do not hesitate to also rep in the comment section. Let us know you are from Onitsha and tell us the area you are from in Onitsha. You know, Onitsha, one thing about Onitsha is that it looks very crowded. When you are passing through Onitsha, you will think there's nothing really happening inside the town itself. Not until you go in and see that, oh, there are a lot of other activities happening around Onitsha. So it's quite funny. Again, another thing I observed about this axis of the road is that sand seems to be a major issue around here. I don't know why, but I think it seems to be a major issue. Sand usually wash off to the road, and if nothing is done, sometimes I believe they are contributing to damaging the road. as the case may be. So if there are better solutions the government can provide in regards to keeping the road clean and free from this sand, I think that will be great. That will be great. I think this is one major issue some part of Edo State have. Sand always flood back the road, and over time the road just get bad or get damaged. So that is it, guys. Onitsha, we are about to show our face in Onitsha. So we just talk about Onitsha very briefly before we commence to Delta State. From Delta State, we'll take it down to Benin. Like I said before, my Benin people, we are coming. Do well to give us recommendations. Do well to let us know what you would love us do within your city. And for the very last time, for as many of you who are seeing our video for the first time, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you join our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, we are very much grateful for always supporting us. Thank you so much. So we are looking forward to your comments in the comment section, and also do to like the video, and also do help us share the videos so that those people who are planning to travel to the east can get to see it, because I know Niger Bridge has been very busy throughout this festive period from people who are coming from far and near. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you find this video interesting. We'll catch you in our next video.